Hi everyone! The Indian festive season has started and sweets are such an integral part of the celebrations. So today we will be making a sugar-free milk barfi that is super easy, quick to make and leaves you feeling completely guilt-free. To make this, we need 2 cups of milk powder, half cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of date syrup, 3 to 4 tablespoons of desi ghee or clarified butter, some chopped almonds, you can also use pistachios, some rose water for flavor and some cardamom essence for flavor as well. You can use cardamom powder too. To start with, let's take a mixing bowl and add all the milk powder, add the milk and give it a good whisk. You don't want lumps to be formed, so continue to mix till no lumps are left. Now I'm going to add the date syrup and some cardamom essence. Give it a good mix. Add some rose water and mix well. The batter is now ready and we will make the barfi now. Next, take a heated pan and in the pan add the mix. Give it a good mix. Keep the flame on a medium or slightly low is okay. At this point, add the desi ghee and keep stirring it slowly. You should not stop stirring, otherwise this will stick to the bottom. Till this becomes like a dough-like consistency, you have to continue to stir this mix. You can see the batter has started to thicken. Continue to mix, keep scraping the sides till you see a dough-like consistency. So at this point, this is ready. You can see. Turn off the heat and we will transfer it into a setting container. Next, take a setting container, add some ghee and just spread it. Take the batter we've cooked and transfer into this container. Set it well. Add the almonds and set this too. Bring this to room temperature and then refrigerate it for an hour before we take it out and are ready to eat it. After an hour, remove the container from the refrigerator and now cut into small pieces. Look at that, and it's all ready to eat.